Failure, it's a word that scares most of us. We fail in exam, a business does not work, a relationship break, our dream slips away, and in that moment, it feels like the world has ended. Failure is not your enemy. Failure is your best teacher, but only if you know how to listen. Everyone fails in life, but not everyone bounces back. The difference between people who quit and the people who succeed is not talent. It's how they respond to the failure. Today, in this video, I am going to give you 5 powerful steps that will help you to stand tall again, no matter how hard you have fallen in life. Step number first, accept failure without shame. The first step is acceptance. Stop fighting reality. Stop blaming yourself endlessly. Failure is not your identity. It is just one result, one event of your life. When you accept failure, you free yourself from the guilt and open your mind to the possibility of change. Most people treat failure like a disease, something to hide. They feel sin, compare themselves to others, and believe that they are not good enough in life. But the truth is, failure is not who you are. It's something that happens. Thomas Edison tried over thousands experiments before inventing the light bulb. When people laughed at him, at his failure, he replied, I have not failed. I have just found 1,000 ways that won't work for inventing the light bulb. Exactly. Write down what failed. Be specific. Saying I am failure is wrong. Instead, say this exam attempt did not work. This business idea failed. This simple shift will help you to see failure as an event, not as an identity. Step number 2, learn the lesson. Every failure carries information. Ask yourself, what went wrong? What can I do better next time? Write down your mistake and the lesson you can take from them. When you learn from your failure, it transforms from a defeat into the progress. Every failure carries the message. If you don't learn, it will repeat again in life. But if you learn, the failure becomes the progress in life. J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter, was rejected by 12 publishers. Instead of quitting, she studied each rejection and improved her book, and it became the worldwide success. Ask yourself, what went wrong? What can I do differently? Write down 3 lessons from every failure. That's how you turn your pain into the power in life. Step number 3, rebuild confidence with a small win. Failure of failure, break our confidence. That's why the best way to rebuild is by starting small. Set simple and achievable goals. Complete them one by one. Every small way, restore your belief in yourself. That's why beliefs give you strength to move toward bigger goal again in life. Failure damages your confidence. When you try to do everything at once, you start doubting on yourself. So don't chase big wins right away. Choose a small one in life. If you fail an exam, don't plan 10 hours of study tomorrow. Start with one focused hour. If your business collapses, don't risk everything again. Start small, test and rebuild again that. Step number 4, surround yourself with positivity. Negativity grows faster after the failure. That's why you need right environment in life. Spend time with people who encourage you. Read and watch the content that inspire you always. Protect your mind from unnecessary criticism. A positive environment gives you the energy to rise again in life. When you fail, negativity surround you. People may laugh, criticize, and doubt on you. That's why you need a right environment in life. Michael Jordan was once cut from his high school basketball team. He cried, but his mother encouraged him to keep trying. That support turned that pain into the motivation, and he became the greatest basketball player of all time now. Choose carefully who you listen to. Surround yourself with people, books, and the content that lift you always, not drag you down in life. Step number 5, take action immediately. Take action immediately. This is the most important. The most important step is action. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for the perfect time. The more you delay, the more heavier failure is. Start today. Even the smallest step toward its victory. Action will build the momentum, and momentum creates the success. The final step is action, but waiting keeps you stuck in life. Colonel, the founder of KFC, was rejected 109 times before someone agreed on his recipe. Imagine if he had stopped at 100 tries, then the lesson is don't sit and wait. Do something today. Even the smallest step toward is proof that you are not finished yet. So, how do you bounce back after the failure? Accept it, learn from it, rebuild with small wins, stay around positive people, and take action right away. Remember, failure does not mean you are finished. It means you are still in the game in life. So, take action. Write down the next chapter of your life with courage. Failure is a test. Now it's your turn to answer. Don't just watch this video. Don't just watch this video. Apply this 5 powerful step in your life. Comment below with one step that you are going to take in your life. If this video gives you a sense, hit the like button, subscribe for more motivational content, and share this with someone who need to hear it today.